Green Tech Energy Systems introduces the 35-watt LED Gooseneck Barn Light, designed for barns, garages, and commercial buildings. Built with durable aluminum alloy housing and available in elegant black and bronze finishes, delivering an impressive 4,200 lumens while operating at just 35 watts, it replaces up to 200-watt incandescent fixtures, providing bright and efficient 5,000K daylight illumination. With an efficiency of 120 to 130 lumens per watt, this fixture helps reduce energy costs without compromising on brightness. Equipped with a built-in photocell sensor, the light automatically turns on at dusk and off at dawn for effortless energy-saving operation. Its wide 101 by 101 degree beam angle ensures broad, even light coverage for enhanced visibility and security. Designed with an IP65 weatherproof rating, certified UL, CUL, and DLC Premium, and backed by a 5-year warranty, this is lighting performance you can trust. Visit www.greenlightdepot.com to learn more or place your order today.